The brave little hedgehog. Early morning sunlight shines through the forest as a small hedgehog slowly walks through the soft green grass. The forest is calm, and birds are singing in the distance. Suddenly, the hedgehog hears a tiny cry. It stops and listens carefully, turning its little head toward the sound. Behind a bush, the hedgehog finds a small bird stuck under a fallen twig. The little bird flaps its wings helplessly and chirps for help. The kind hedgehog gently pushes the twig with its nose. Slowly, the twig rolls away from the bird. Free at last, the little bird happily flaps its wings and jumps with joy. The bird then flies up to a nearby tree branch and chirps loudly as if saying thank you. The hedgehog looks up with a happy smile and continues walking through the peaceful forest. Moral: even the smallest kindness can make a big difference.